In this video tutorial, I want to share with you how to use the forecast function, okay, to be able to forecast the data at a given year or over a given period of time. So for example, let's say this is the amount of money I saved in 2010. In 2010, this amount I saved. In 2011, this amount I saved. In 2013, this is the amount I saved. And in 2018, this is the amount I was able to save. So I would like to know what will be my savings in 2040. Obviously, Excel, this is just like a prediction, a scientific prediction based on the values that I've provided. Excel doesn't know my habit, it doesn't know how much I earn, it doesn't know where I work. It just uses scientific basics and it provides the forecast, and it's going to be one of the key perfect and the most interesting forecast that you can find elsewhere. Just know that this is just an assumption. You can have some few errors, but to start with, you need the forecast function. It only provides the forecast based on the data I provided. Okay, based on the behavior of the data, it will provide the forecast of what it's going to look like. To provide the forecast, you come to the Excel where you want to have the forecast and you put the equal sign, and then you can put forecast function, and then you can see different kind of forecast. You have the linear forecast. If your function is linear, for example mine is linear, you can put on linear function, or if it's an exponential function, you can use exponential function. So let's say we are going for linear function, we just select it and we can just, so now once we open the bracket, you notice that Excel is giving you an instruction that you can put, the first thing it requires is an X value, that is what year are you trying to forecast. So that's our X, and then you can have to provide the non-Y's and the non-X's. I know this might be confusing, but once we start, you will understand. Okay, so the non-X could be 2040 that we are looking out for. No need to type 2040. You can just click on that cell and it will select it. So we now put a comma, and then we can put the non-Y's, because this is the X axis, this is automatically the Y axis. So we select this and make it the Y axis, and we can put a comma, and then we can put the non-X's. Okay, so the non-X's are these ones because we select X from this one. Okay, so we'll put the non-X's and select like this, just drag and drop. So once we close the bracket, or we just hit on enter, it's going to return the forecasted value, and you can see how much I'm going to save by 2040. Okay, in the year 2040. All right, so this is very interesting. You can use it to forecast how your savings or your behavior, the behavior of your data, can be over time. One of the key good thing about this kind of forecast is that you can edit it. For example, now this is 2040. I can just search for 2025. What will be my forecast? What will be my savings? I just hit on enter, and you can see it has given me $379. Okay, so it's very easy and it's very interesting to learn to forecast things on your own. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a bit about how to use the forecast function to forecast your data, the behavior of your data, and to use it as a calculator to forecast any year around. It automatically recognizes the knowns and the unknowns. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.